Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Alipay and 1688 payment issue and account ban between Alipay and 1688. What exactly you need to know if your Alipay account is banned and you appeal for ban, and at the same time you still cannot be able to pay on your 1688 Chinese shopping app. I'm going to explain everything you need to know as far as this issue is concerned between 1688 and Alipay account is concerned. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund a Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So what I'm going to do right here, I have a case study that I would like to use as an example so everyone can get it. So right here, someone contacts me on my WhatsApp, and I'm go ahead now and open up my WhatsApp right. All right, so on my WhatsApp right here, this person here contacted me from my YouTube channel. Good evening, sir. Happy Sunday. I'm one of your subscribers. I've been following your YouTube page for a long time now, sir. With payment using my 1688 account to pay for my item. The last time I tried it, my account was restricted. I was given 1 month restriction on my Alipay account, which will end tomorrow. Please, I need guidance on how to go about the payment process so Alipay will not restrict my account again, sir. Please help me. So this is the message from the person that contacts me right here, and my response here: good evening. What exactly did you do in Alipay or 1688 before you got restricted? This is my question right here. Trying to pay for an item. How long is your 1688 account? So she said 5 months now. I said, okay, you will need to wait until restriction is over. So good morning, sir. Good morning. And this is the first conversation between me and this person right here. And I will tell you what exactly happened and how eventually solve the problem. This is what it's showing. And right here, and I say, click on field detail, and this is exactly what happened with the account right here, and it's about 9 hours 32 minutes to go. But later they were able to click on the field detail again, and they got another 1 month plus ban. Now what this simply means here is that if you have something similar like this with your Alipay and your 1688 account, what this simply means is that you will only need to contact Alipay customer support. After you contact the Alipay customer support, then the reason why your account has not been fully lifted from ban is that there is a limit to amount you can receive on a newly created Alipay account, which is exactly what happened to this particular account right here. So I will show you the exact response from the Alipay customer support, because once you contact Alipay customer support, they will definitely tell you the reason. And the reason here is that they can no longer receive huge amount of money into the Alipay account because the account is very new, and they can still continue to make payment on 1688 or any Chinese e-commerce app that is linked with that Alipay account, but they can only spend 200 yen per transaction on a daily basis on the account, pending the time that the account will be fully recovered. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the response from the customer support right here. So this is the response from here. Now, good morning, sir. I have contacted Alipay customer service. They said I can use my Alipay account to make payment. Just like this is a direct message from the Alipay support, and they only restricted it because of the amount that was in my account, that the limit I can receive into the account is 200 yuan. So that is just the basic solution to this type of problem. So if you have something similar, the only thing is that if you are receiving 1,000 yuan into that particular account, you have to do it in 5 times in 5 days. That is 200 each on a daily basis until it's accumulated to 1,000 RMB. You cannot send huge amount at the same time, and you cannot spend huge amount, and you cannot spend huge amount of money, or you cannot spend huge amount of yuan in that particular account, whether it's on 1688, Taobao, or any Chinese app that you link the Alipay account with. You can only spend little amount of like 200 yuan or lesser than 200 yuan on a daily basis, pending the time that the account will be mature to another level user on Alipay app. Is that simple. So basically this, but if you don't know how to contact customer support on Alipay, you can check the video out on my channel. You will see step-by-step guide on how you can contact Alipay customer support and lodge this type of complaint as far as Alipay and state aid payment issue is concerned. However, if you still have question for me as far as this particular tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below, or you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.